Where are you from?
Holland, Netherlands.
How long are you going to stay?
3 days.
What don't you like about Barcelona?
I don't know about Barcelona. Everything. Everything.
Do you like Barcelona so far?
we only came today. But yes.
What is your favorite Catalan food? Catalan food.
I don't know. Paella, sangria, tapas. You don't know?
Don't know.
Okay.
Which monuments do you like best?
Sorry?
Monuments. Which monument do you like best?
Oh, Sagrada Familia.
Is the weather similar to your country? The weather similar to your country?
No. We almost always have rain.
Do you think you will return to Barcelona?
For me, it's my second time.
Ah.
So I already returned. Yes.
Okay.